G. Kurumaya, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College, Co-education, Manapattu. Now discuss about preparation of alcohols today. Preparation of alcohols. Preparation of alcohols. Okay, it is our first preparation. Reduction of carbonyl compounds from carbonyl compounds from carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds. It is a very simple method. Carbonyl compounds. It is number one. Mobile to blank reduction. Mobile to blank reduction. Mobile to blank reduction. This is very simple. On reduction of carbonyl compounds, it is aldehydes in presence of ethyl alcohol oblique sodium. Ethyl alcohol oblique sodium to form alcohols. If you take aldehydes, on reduction of aldehydes in presence of ethyl alcohol oblique sodium to form primary alcohols. If you take that is ketone, that is acetone, on reduction of ketones in presence of ethyl alcohol sodium to form secondary alcohol is known as a Mount Blanc reduction reaction. That is first one, aldehyde or C double bond O H. It is a aldehyde. Aldehyde. Reduction means adding of hydrogens. Reduction in presence of, that is C2H5OH oblique sodium to form primary alcohols. That is R CH2OH CH2OH. That is a primary alcohol. Alcohol is formed. That is second one. If you take ketone, that is C double bond O H R, that is a ketone. Ketone. On reduction of ketone in presence of reduction reagent, that is ethyl alcohol sodium. Ethyl alcohol sodium in presence of reduction reagent C2H5OH oblique sodium to form secondary alcohol, that is RCHOH R. It is a secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol is formed. If you take any example of same reactions, so if you take acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond O H on reduction in presence of ethyl alcohol sodium, in presence of ethyl alcohol sodium C2H5OH oblique Na to form ethanol, that is ethyl alcohol is formed, that is CH3 CH2OH. It is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. It is a primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is formed. If you take another one, second example, that is acetone CH3 C double bond O CH3 on reduction of acetone in presence of same reduction reagent, that is ethyl alcohol sodium C2H5 OH oblique Na, ethyl alcohol sodium, to form isopropyl alcohol, that is a secondary alcohol, OH CH3. It is isopropyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. It is a secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol is formed. It is first preparation of alcohols from carbonyl compound. If you take another preparation, that is from Grignard reagent. From Grignard reagent. Second preparation. It is also a very simple reaction. We are from Grignard reagent to prepare primary and secondary tertiary alcohols. These are different type of preparation methods, but here only we discuss about preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. From Grignard reagent. From Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. It is also very simple. The formaldehyde, if react with the Grignard reagent and undergoes hydrolysis to form primary alcohols. If you take another one, that is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde, if react with the Grignard reagent, it is undergoes hydrolysis to form secondary alcohols. If you take that is a ketone, acetone, the first compound of ketone is acetone. Acetone is reactive with the Grignard reagent and it is undergoes hydrolysis to form tertiary alcohols. If you take for example formaldehyde, CHO, it is formaldehyde, first compound of aldehyde, formaldehyde react with Grignard reagent. If you take general formula, that is RMGX, it is a Grignard reagent general formula. Grignard reagent, Grignard reagent react with the Grignard reagent to form intermediate compound, that is R and O MgX, here hydrogen, here hydrogen. It is further undergoes hydrolysis reaction. Hydrolysis means react with water molecule, HOH, H plus OH minus. Here also bond fission takes place, H plus addition with oxygen, OH minus addition with magnesium, OH minus. So what happened here? CrCH2OH, that is a primary alcohol, RCH2OH minus here hydroxy magnesium halide is formed. It is a primary alcohol. Primary alcohol is formed. If you take another one, that is acetaldehyde, B, acetaldehyde or aldehyde, any aldehyde compound, CHO. If we react with aldehyde, react with the Grignard reagent, that is RMGX. So here also same to form, that is RCRH oxygen MgX is formed. So it is further undergoes hydrolysis reaction. Hydrolysis means react with water molecule. Water also on ionization H plus and OH minus. Here also bond fission takes place, H plus addition with oxygen, OH minus addition with magnesium. So to form Here C OH, here HR. It is a secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol is formed. Secondary alcohol. Here minus hydroxy magnesium halide. Hydroxy magnesium halide is formed. If you take another one, that is a C ketone compound. So first compound of ketone is acetone. That is C. General formula for ketone, or here also if react with the Grignard reagent, that is R MgX. Grignard reagent. So here also to form intermediate compound, that is R here oxygen magnesium halide. Oxygen magnesium halide. It is also undergoes a hydrolysis reaction. Hydrolysis reaction. That is reacted with water molecule. So here also same, between the oxygen magnesium bond fission is takes place. H plus addition with the oxygen, OH minus addition with the magnesium. So to form minus Mg hydroxy halide, here tertiary alcohol, OH alkyl, here alkyl. So it is tertiary alcohol is formed. Tertiary alcohol. If you take some examples of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol preparation. So first formaldehyde is reacted with the Grignard reagent to form primary alcohol. It is enough. If you take another one, that is acetaldehyde. If you take acetaldehyde, same. If you take an example, that is a preparation of Grignard reagent from acetaldehyde CH3 and C double bond OH plus Grignard reagent CH3 magnesium Br bromide, magnesium bromide. So here also same, bond fission is takes place. Here minus positive negative charges. Here this electron pair goes to here, and delta minus, here delta plus. So these minus addition with plus carbonyl carbon. So to form CH3 and CH3, here H, here O, MgBr. MgBr is formed. It is further undergoes hydrolysis reaction. Hydrolysis means react with water molecule. So here also same, on ionization of water, that is a H plus and OH minus ions. This H plus addition with oxygen, OH minus addition with magnesium, OH minus. So here hydroxy magnesium halide is eliminated, Br. Okay. Next another one, secondary alcohol is formed, CS3 and OH, here HCH3. It is a isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. That is a secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol is formed. If you take another example, that is also same. If you take acetone compound, that is a ketone, acetone CH3, C double bond O, CH3. If react with Grignard reagent, if react with the Grignard reagent, that is magnesium CH3 and magnesium bromide. It is also a very simple reaction. So what happened here? Carbonyl functional group. So oxygen carbon electron pair goes to oxygen. Oxygen have a negative charge, partially negative, but carbon have a partially positive charge. So here also between the magnesium and carbon bond fission is takes place. Carbon have a positive and negative charge, magnesium have a positive charge. This negative charged carbon atom further addition with the positive charged carbon atom. So what happened here? CH3 and C oxygen here MgBr, MgBr, here CH3, here CH3. It is further undergoes hydrolysis reaction. You know what is a hydrolysis reaction? React with water molecule HOH. So here also same. So CH3 and OH. Here CH3 and CH3. That is tertiary alcohol is formed. Place hydroxy magnesium halide. That is doesn't matter. Br. It is eliminated. So it is a tertiary alcohol is formed. It is a tertiary butyl alcohol. Butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. What may be? Tertiary alcohol is formed. It is a primary and secondary tertiary alcohol preparation method from Grignard reagent. Okay. Next, another preparation method, that is ester hydrolysis of esters. Hydrolysis of esters. Next preparation method, hydrolysis of esters. Next chapter, next preparation method, that is hydrolysis of esters. Hydrolysis. Hydrolysis of ester. So it is a very simple process. Hydrolysis of ester. Ester react with water in presence of acids to form alcohol compound. It is also called as esterification or esters hydrolysis reaction. So if you take any esters, that is R, the general formula of ester RCOOR. It is a ester. Ester react with water molecule, that is ROH. Sorry, water molecule H2O. In presence of same acid H+, in presence of acid to form carboxylic acid, that is a CR double bond OH plus ROH, that is a alcohol is formed. Alcohol. It is a one preparation. If we take any mechanism of esterification, it is a very simple mechanism, but we discuss about another time of mechanism. But here now I am discuss only preparation methods of alcohols. That is, if you take CH3 and C double bond O C2 H5. It is ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate and react with water molecule, that is H2O. Here also same, in presence of acid, that is H plus, to form here also, that is CH3 COOH plus C2H5OH. It is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol is formed. It is acetic acid. Acetic acid is formed. Normally, these are a preparation of alcohols. Now a discussion about chemical physical properties of alcohols. Next, physical properties of alcohols. Properties of alcohols. Now we discuss about very simple preparation methods. of alcohols, only three methods. Now we discuss about chemical or physical properties. Physical properties. Physical properties. Properties of alcohols. Alcohol. Okay. Then first alcohols. Number one. Alcohols easily soluble in water or carbon compounds. Easily soluble. Why? Because these alcohols have a hydrogen bond between the oxygen and the hydrogen have a hydrogen bond. Due to hydrogen bond, it is very easily soluble in water and ethyl alcohol or organic compound, any organic solvents. So hydrogen bond means if you take hydrogen bond, it is alcohol or air hydrogen or OH. It is hydrogen, oxygen, alkyl, hydrogen, oxygen, alkyl. These are hydrogen, oxygen, alkyl. It is hydrogen bond, oxygen, alkyl. Okay. These are hydrogen bonds of alcohol. These are all hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bond. You know what is a hydrogen bond? Hydrogen bond means more electronegativity atoms bonded with hydrogen atom. More electronegativity atoms means that is a fluorine oxygen. Fluorine oxygens are more electronegativity atoms. These more electronegativity atoms bonded with the hydrogen atom. So between these more electronegativity atom and hydrogen have any chemical bond. Only simple hydroxylation between the two atoms. Simply hydroxylation of these two atoms, that is a more electronegative atom and hydrogen atom. That is called hydrogen bond. These hydrogen, due to these hydrogen bond, alcohols easily soluble in water and organic solvents. Easily soluble in water and organic solvent. If you take another one, that is the melting boiling point also more than the corresponding isomeric compounds, that is ethers. Why? Because here also ethers no hydrogen bond, but alcohols have a hydrogen bonds. Due to this reason, alcohols melting boiling points are more than the ether. Okay. Next, another point that is alcohols are acidic nature. That is alcohols OH. What happened here? One proton is eliminated. That is a H plus. So to form alkoxy ion, it is alkoxy ion is formed. These alkoxy ion formation, due to formation, these alcohols are shortly acidic nature. Then it is further react with any alkali compounds to form salts. If you take these compounds react with sodium hydroxide to form sodium salt compound is formed. So due to this reason, alcohols are more melting boiling points, and alcohols easily soluble in water and ethyl alcohol, what may be organic solvents. Okay. Now we discuss about chemical properties of